In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare error 521 web server down. If you've encountered this issue, you know how frustrating it can be to see your website offline. But don't worry, this error typically points to a problem with the connection between Cloudflare and your web server, and with a little troubleshooting, we can get your site up and running in no time. So grab a cup of coffee, and let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to sign in to your Cloudflare dashboard. Head over to -cloudlager.com and log into your account. Once there, locate the domain that's experiencing the issue and select it to open its settings. This ensures we're working on the correct website. Now, let's move to the DNS section. Open it and take a close look at your DNS records. Specifically, you'll want to confirm that your A or C name record points to the correct server IP address provided by your hosting provider. If the IP address is incorrect, Cloudflare won't know how to route traffic to your server, which can trigger the 521 error. Next, pay attention to the cloud icon next to your DNS record. If you want Cloudflare to proxy your traffic, make sure the icon is orange. However, if you're troubleshooting, it can be helpful to temporarily toggle the icon gray. This will bypass Cloudflare and send traffic directly to your origin server, allowing you to narrow down the root cause. Once your testing is complete, don't forget to turn it back to orange to re-enable Cloudflare's proxy services. After checking your DNS settings, let's navigate to the security section and open firewall rules. Review your firewall rules carefully. Sometimes overly broad rules like those blocking certain IP ranges, countries, or URLs can accidentally block normal traffic. If you find any suspicious rules, either disable them temporarily or edit them to be more specific. Once updated, test your site again to see if the error clears. While still in the security section, let's move on to rate limiting. Make sure your essential URLs, like your homepage or login page, are not being rate limited too aggressively. If necessary, reduce the thresholds or temporarily disable any rules that might be causing issues. Once adjusted, check your site again. Staying in the security section, locate the bots setting. If bot fight mode is enabled, disable it temporarily. While this feature helps block unwanted bot traffic, it can sometimes interfere with legitimate traffic, especially if your site receives high traffic volumes or API calls. After turning it off, test your site once more to see if the issue is resolved. Next on our list is the DDoS settings, which you can also find under security. Make sure these settings aren't overly aggressive. If the sensitivity is set too high, Cloudflare might misinterpret legitimate traffic as malicious and block it. Try lowering the sensitivity slightly and testing your site again. Now, let's take a look at your SSL TLS settings. Open the SSL TLS section and go to the Overview tab. Here you'll want to match the SSL mode to your server's configuration. If your origin server has a valid SSL certificate, use the full or full strict mode. If your server doesn't support SSL at all, switch to flexible mode. Using the correct SSL mode is critical to ensuring a smooth connection between Cloudflare and your server. Moving on, head over to the caching section and open the Configuration tab. Here, click on Purge Everything. This clears outdated or corrupted responses that might be causing the issue. Once the cache is purged, wait a few seconds before reloading your site. To ensure you're seeing the latest version, test your site in a fresh browser tab. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloudflare error 521 and get your website back online. Remember, troubleshooting is often a process of elimination, so take your time and test after each adjustment. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.